Argparse, way to include default values in help. Suppose I have the following Argparse snippet. Currently, help returns. I would prefer something like peeking at the help formatter code revealed limited options. Is there a clever way to get Argparse to print the default value for scan time in a similar fashion, or should I just subclass the help formatter?
Use the argparse.argumentDefaultShelp formatter. To quote the documentation, the other formatter class available, ArgumentDefaultShelp will add information about the default value of each of the arguments. Note that this only applies to arguments that have help text defined. With no help value for an argument, there is no help message to add information about the default value to. The exact output for your scan time option then becomes
add %default s to the help parameter to control what is displayed. Notes: it is %+default in parenthesis plus format characters, not to be confused with curly brackets, default, we find in format or F string. Don't forget to add the specifier character for the type representation at the end, is for strings, d for integers, f for floats, etc. You can also add the usual print format specifiers, like number of digits for floats, leading zeros, etc. You can refer to print documentation for more details.
Wrapper class. This is the most reliable and dry approach I've found so far to both show defaults and use another formatter such as argparse.rawTextHelp formatter at the same time. Output. ArgumentDefaultShelp formatter plus rawTextHelp formatter multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance just works, but it does not seem to be public API. Output. It just works because as we can see trivially from the sources, this URL, that. rawTextHelp formatter implements _split_lines, ArgumentDefaultShelp formatter implements _get_help_string. So we can guess that they will work together just fine. However, this does not seem to be public API, and neither are the methods of formatter_class, so I don't think there is a public API way to do it currently. Argparse docstring says. All other classes in this module are considered implementation details. Also note that help formatter and raw description help formatter are only considered public as object names. The API of the formatter objects is still considered an implementation detail. See also, customize Argparse help message. Tested on Python 3.6.5.
It is often useful to be able to automatically include the default values in the help output, but only those that were explicitly specified, with default equals ... The methods already mentioned have some shortcomings in this respect. The argument default shelp formatter method prints out default column none for every argument whose default was not explicitly specified, and default column false for flags action equals store_true. This clutters the help output. To avoid it, default equals argparse.suppress needs to be manually added for each such argument. The %defaultS method requires manually adding it to all the arguments help strings that we do want printed in help. Both methods end up needing manual intervention to print out only the right defaults. One way to do this automatically is to augment the argument default shelp formatter to ignore the nones and falses default values. Use it in place of argument default shelp formatter. This will print only the explicitly set default values in the help output. Note, if an argument's default was explicitly set as none or false, it won't be shown in help with this class. Add %defaultS string to help for that argument if you want it in the help output.
Using this system